What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. So today we're gonna do a full day of eating video. We're gonna eat the whole day, and my calories for today is 2,400 calories, macros 200 grams carbs, 220 grams of protein, and 80 grams of fat. So we're gonna try to hit those digits, not perfectly, but at least close to those numbers. All right, so let's go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see.
Okay, so first meal of the day, 50 grams whole oats, 1 scoop of whey from Dymatize, chocolate peanut butter flavor, one of the best flavors, and then 10 almonds and ground cinnamon. So ayan, tapos kakainin ko siya with eggs, 4 egg whites, 1 whole egg with Oh My Spice pizza seasoning and ketchup. So ito yung ginagamit kong ketchup, tomato ketchup, 50% less salt and sugar. So ayun. So I'm gonna enjoy my first meal of the day, and I'll see you guys on the next meal. Okay guys, so next one will be not really a meal, it's just a pre-workout snack. So I'm gonna have 2 rice cakes with proteinella. So this is like tastes like Nutella, but with a higher protein content. So proteinella and rice cakes, 2 rice cakes with proteinella. So it's like this. So pre-workout snack, it's gonna go down.
Like LeBron, though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't.
So post-workout meal, chicken mandi. So basically chicken lang siya with rice and spices. It's a Yemeni dish. Usually ganito lang lagi after the workout. Big portion of carbs with some protein. So ito, post-workout meal. So guys, lumabas lang ako saglit and then I grabbed some protein sources. It's 340 grams ng lean beef and then 325 grams ng dory fillet. So, ito na yung meal number 4 and 5. So ayun, ito na yung kakainin ko for the rest of the day, and then if may kulang or sobra sa macros, mag-a-adjust na lang tayo, okay? So, ito lang yung mabilis kong lutuin na protein sources. I'll just throw these in the frying pan and air fryer oven. So, tara na. Uwi na tayo. Okay, so next meal is white fish, 325 grams. So, yan. So, sasalang ko lang siya sa air fryer oven for 20 minutes. Okay. Tapos after nito, i-prepare ko naman yung carbs. Yung carbs is 150 grams na sweet potato. So, air fry lang din. Isasalang ko naman siya dito sa kabila. So, yung gagamitin ko. Right. 20 minutes din. So, habol na natin yung carbs, 20 minutes also. 15 to 20 minutes if gusto mo talagang lutong-luto yung sweet potato mo sa air fryer. So, ayun ko na lang 15 minutes. Okay? So, carbs, sweet potato, protein, white fish. So, next meal natin guys is luto na yung white fish and sweet potato. Parehas na air fried yan. Tapos lalagyan lang natin ng konting tomato ketchup. Yung ginamit din natin kanina at itong less sugar and less salt, 50% na Heinz. So, ayan. So, itong white fish, hindi ko na siya masyadong nilalagyan ng spices kasi maalat na siya eh. So, usually nilalagyan ko siya ng lemon and yun lang din lagi kong ginagamit yung oh my spice na pizza flavor. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna enjoy this meal again and tapos nito, last meal na tayo.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down.
So guys, for my last meal of the day, lean ground beef. Tapos ilagyan ko lang siya ng oh my spice pizza seasoning. Tapos ilalagay ko siya sa loob nitong Old El Paso soft tortilla bowls. So gagamit ako ng 2 tortilla bowls. So ayan, ganito siya. So para lang siyang cup. Tapos lalagay ko yung lean ground beef sa loob. Tapos lalagyan ko rin siya ng mga like bell peppers and then hot sauce. So yun, Mexican style last meal of the day. Soft tortilla bowls with lean ground beef. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung finished product. So guys, ito na yung last meal of the day ko. 2 tacos with ground beef, yellow capsicum ketchup, and hot sauce. Okay? So we ended up at 223 grams of protein. Supposed to be 220, so mabra lang tayo ng 3 grams. Pero okay lang yun. Tapos yung carbs, 199, target natin is 200. And then yung fats, 66 grams, supposed to be 80. Pero okay lang din yun kasi usually talaga mas mababa yung fat macro ko compared to carbs and protein. Pero talagang tina-target ko talaga na ma-hit every single day is talaga yung protein macro. And so yun, hindi naman talaga ma-perfect yung macro mo for every single day kasi so sobra yan nagkukulang kasi iba-iba rin naman yung kinakain mo, magkakaibang grams siya every day, so you need to learn how to adjust. Okay? And don't stress yourself if hindi mo kayang ma-meet yung, for example, yung protein macro mo today. So bawi ka na lang the next day. Right? So regarding my total calories target natin for today is 2,400 calories. I ended up at 2,222 calories if I'm not mistaken. So medyo kinulang ng konti pero syempre meron pa tayong mga ginamit na spices and kung ano-ano pa and a bit of butter oil. So ayun, syempre it will also add up with some small calories. So ayun, I think it's a good day, very good day, and almost perfect naman yung macros natin and yung calories. So I think that's all for today. Sana nabigyan ko kayo ng konting tips. And if you have some questions, suggestions, just comment down below, let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. God bless.